Hi guys, I'm Isa. Today we're going to learn about arrays and slices in Golang. So arrays and slices, they're both used to store multiple pieces of data. So we're going to start with arrays. To get to the array, so we're going to say var array name. We're going to call it ages. So then for the type, we're going to or the square brackets. So I have to put the length of the array here. It's going to be 3. Then the type, so int. Then put the actual array. I'm gonna say like 5, 30, 20, 10. Well, it says it's going to write var ages. Just use the automatic type inference. Yeah, which is just 4 because, why not? So, I want to say fmt.println ages. So let's do 0. I'm gonna print the first item. So let's put this in the for loop. For I equals 0, inference equals 0, I is less than length of ages, I plus plus. fmc.println ages, I 5, 30, 20, 10. As you can see, those are exactly the values of our array. Alright, so, yeah. We can also, have slices. So slices are like arrays without specified lengths. Let's go over how arrays can be strings. Anyways, we have like var, final product is equal to 0. Whoops, I meant the inference equals 0. So final product plus equals age. Ages I. And so in the end, fmt.println final product. 70. So we can also find the median. So let's say if I is equal to len ages, then final product is equal to final product divided by length of ages. So yeah, that's just the formula for finding the mean. I meant mean. Len ages minus 1. Len ages minus 1. 16. The median age routine is age 16. If we change this one to like 99, the median age is going to go up to 33. So instead of just saying the final product, let's say the final product is, and the final product. It's not going to work because this is an integer, this is a string. So we're going to import, we're also going to import strconv. So here I'm going to write strconv.itoa. What does that do? Well, it turns into a string. And you can see format ints. So now if we run it, the final product is 16. So slices are just arrays without this number over here. So yeah, if we run the program, it's gonna run the same, but you also append to it. I'm gonna change this. Find ages dot. I meant ages. fmt.println ages dot append I meant append ages. But then what we want to append? Let's append like 12. Alright, so let's append 12. And let's run. It shows us the list. It's a slice. So if I take just a 5. Well, anyways, let me not do that. So yeah, it adds it to the list. But if I want it to just, like stay like that, then I'm going to say ages is equal to append ages 12. So now the final product reduced to 19. So yeah, that's how to use arrays and slices in Golang. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. So bye.